I'm going to present a video on addition, fraction addition in Abacus. So usually we have numerator and denominator in fraction. So the first question is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So I'll set 1 by 2. To let you know, the question is I'm setting 1 by 2, and on my left extreme abacus I will set 1 by 3. On my right extreme abacus I set 1 by 2, and on my right extreme abacus I set 1 by 3. So now we can let the student touch, let the VI student or the blind student touch what the question is. Now he or she will get 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So what is the operation? Operation is to add, that is plus. So to add, we need to find the LCM first. So for that reason, I'm going to remove the whole thing. I just need to remember the question 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So I will remove the whole thing. And how to find the LCM? So I will set 2, the denominator of 1 by 2, and I will set 3 on my left. That is 2 on my right, 3 on my left. Both are the denominators. 1 by 2. So I take 2 for my left extreme abacus plus 1 by 3. I take 3 on my right extreme abacus. So now to find LCM, I need to find the multiples of 2 here and multiples of 3 in this side. So first, look at the smaller digit. So 2 and 3 doesn't match. 2 1s are 2, doesn't come 3. So I'll go to 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4 has become greater than 3. So which means I have to increase for the multiples of 3 as well, because I have got 2 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, but still it has become greater, still then doesn't match with the left extreme abacus, right extreme abacus. So now I will again add one more in this side. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So I've got 6 here. Now I'll try to find out if I have multiples of 2 that match with 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So now here comes the common multiples, which can be taken as LCM, lowest common multiple. So after finding the LCM, I have set the LCM on my
right
left
extreme abacus.
Now I will set the first fraction, that is 1 by 2, on my left extreme abacus with one bar gap, with a small bar gap. So I'm setting 1 by 2 on my left extreme abacus. Then I will find out how many times 2 will divide 6, that is how many times the first denominator will divide the LCM. So finding out, I will get 3 2s are 6, or 2 3s are 6. So I'll replace 2 by 3. This is a very important step. We will find out how many times 2 divides 6. So I got 3, so I'll replace 2 by 3. I just replace. Now I will multiply. 3 1s are 3. Where to set 3? How to know? In my abacus I have a small bar here on the separation bar. I have a small line on my separation bar, whereas in the green abacus, some of the abacus you will have here on the bottom. So this is known as the numerator bar or numerator indicator. Numerator indicator. So I will set 1 into 3 here. Now the work of 1 by 2 is over. Now I will set the next one, that is 1 by 3. I have done the first. Now I'm coming to the second solution, 1 by 3, leaving a gap between. So 1 by 3, how many times 3 will divide this LCM? That is 6. So 3 2s are 6. I got 3 2s are 6. 2 will divide, 3 2 times will divide 6. So I will replace 3 by 2. So now I will multiply with the numerator. 1 into 2, So I will get 2. So I will set the same in the numerator column 2. So I don't have sufficient bit in the lower abacus. I will set from the upper abacus. I'm setting 5 instead of 2. So excess 3. 1, 2, 3. I remove. Now clear the bits from your left extreme abacus. The answer is 5 by 6.